Here to discuss in a CNBC exclusive is Hilton CEO Chris Nassetta. Welcome. It's good to have you.
Great to be here, guys. Thanks for having me.
So how does it look for summer travel?
I think summer travel looks pretty good, all things considered. I mean, in our industry, demand is remaining pretty resilient across the broad sectors of meetings and events. Business travel continues to rebound. Leisure travel, while normalizing from very high levels coming out of COVID, is still reasonably strong. But when we look at the summer, probably not the kind of growth year over year that we had last summer, the last couple of summers, but still positive growth year over year. And so, you know, when we look at the next 60 days, there's some of the highest levels of bookings that we've ever seen.
Does it differ by, because we continue to hear commentary about the low-income consumer being more stretched because of inflation. So does it differ by category?
It does broadly. I would say we expect to see growth in the summer season across all categories. But clearly, you know, if you look at it and segment it, the lower chain scales will show slower growth than the upper mid chain scales.
Yeah, I mean, it does raise a question about where the growth is coming from in this industry. And I know you have some news that you want to share about what you're investing in.
Yeah, we've been making some big moves at the high end of the space. We obviously have, 24 brands, so we cover everything from Spark at, the premium economy all the way up through Waldorf Astoria at the very high end. But we believe, as has been happening, that in the lifestyle and luxury space, there's going to be a lot of growth and there's a lot of opportunity. And so we just announced that we're acquiring the first brands that we've acquired in the 17 years I've been running the company, and buying the Graduate brand, buying the Nomad brand. We announced some important partnerships with in the luxury space with small luxury hotels of the world, in the experiential space with AutoCamp. And as a result of that, we think we'll double our presence in lifestyle from about 350 hotels over the next 3 or 4 years to about 700 hotels. And if all goes well, by the end of this year, we will be able to be 4 or 5 times the size in the luxury space as a result of adding to Waldorf Astoria, Conrad, and LXR, but as well with our small luxury.
They're going after Marriott here.
Not necessarily.
Are they the leader in luxury?
They are bigger in luxury. By the end of this year, I think in terms of dots on the map, we will be as big as anybody. And in the lifestyle space, we just think there's huge growth opportunities. And we think our existing brands of Curio and Tapestry, Canopy, Tempo, now with Nomad and Graduate, give us a whole bunch of great shots on goal in different sub-segments of lifestyle.
Can you just quickly explain what lifestyle is for people who may not understand the differentiation between some of these
lifestyle,
brands?
I would say there's an element of lifestyle in everything we do. I mean, the truth is there's an element of lifestyle in the Hampton brand. So broadly, I'd say lifestyle is modern design, modern functionality, a little bit higher energy approach to food and beverage. And that's why I say, I say to our teams all the time, we have 24 brands. There's an element of lifestyle, because if you believe what I just said about the definition of lifestyle, modern design, modern technology, modern approach, high energy approach to food and beverage, really customers want that across a broad spectrum. But there are brands, and I just named them, within our category, within our 24, that probably index a little bit heavier, a little bit more design forward, a little bit more, high energy on the food and beverage, a little bit more forward on technology. And those go into the lifestyle grouping for us. And there's been huge growth opportunities for a long time, and we've been present. We have 350 hotels. So we just think we could have 700 and then 1,000 and 1,500. We think it's a tremendous growth opportunity.
Meantime, time.